Guys, in this video, I will show you a generative video AI that will surely help you out in creating those high quality videos and images that you are looking for. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. I upload new videos daily that will surely help you out in making all of the things that you are doing as efficient as you can. So consider subscribing, that way you will always be updated when I make new uploads. Alright, so for this one, we will be talking about DomoAI. It is actually a cutting-edge creative platform, guys, that is designed to generate that high quality images and the videos that are using the advanced artificial intelligence technology. And believe me, in this era, you have to be always updated with the technology, because right now, to be honest guys, believe it or not, you do not have to be a very good video editor. Like, forget the After Effects or the Premiere Pro. I mean, it helps, okay? Don't get me wrong. It helps to know how to edit there, like do the cuts and all that. But in terms of the B-rolls, in terms of those really high quality cinematic photos that you could use to insert in all of your videos, so it is actually built for the professionals and the beginners, and it's offering an intuitive interface that makes creative production accessible to everyone. And the avatar enthusiast, guys, this will definitely be really, you are definitely going to love this one. First, you have the AI image for image generation, and then you also have that AI editing for enhancements and refinements, and the AI video, which serves as its flagship feature. And guys, of those core modules, definitely you need to go ahead and check it out, guys, because it is so amazing. AI video stands at the center of DomoAI's ecosystem, and it supports a wide range of creators, which also includes that short form videos, the producers, and the cinematic storytellers. And stay tuned, guys, because I will show you the actual dashboard, and we'll actually generate one together so you could see, like, you know, what are the things that you would be able to create when you are logged in to Domo. And of course, make sure to head on to their website, test it out, and see for yourself the power of this one. Users can actually choose between the faster model for quick everyday content generation and the advanced model that delivers those really higher precision and stability, ideal for AI music videos. You have the films and anime style production. So you have the option to, you know, you have the variety basically. If you're just looking for a simple video, then you could use the faster one. And if you're looking for those higher detailed, higher quality videos, then you could opt to use the one that has the advanced model. So right now, guys, it supports the direct video uploads, and additionally the video to video function. It also simplifies the style transformation into just 2 steps. It offers that diverse visual styles such as the clay cartoons, the PS2 game aesthetic, the China's ink painting, and the pixel art and paper art as well. Now, here's the thing, guys. Pairing it to other generative AI platforms out there like HeyGen, which primarily focuses on AI spokesperson and business avatar videos, DomoAI is actually providing that broader creative flexibility. And HeyGen excels in corporate presentations and marketing explainers. DomoAI stands out because of its unlimited generation modes, its competitive pricing, which with a 30% annual discount that you could enjoy, and that specialized models that are tailored for anime and original characters creations. Now, this DomoAI, guys, is very versatile and cost effective, so I really want to make sure that you guys are checking this one out. Now, on to the best part, guys. Let's go ahead and do something really nice. Okay, so here we have home, assets, we have my library, of course, for those that you have already generated. And believe me, guys, look at this. Look at that. All right, let me click on this one. Boom. So the prompt that I did is this one. Okay, I used the photo that I uploaded of myself, Okay, and put a gold armor that looks like a great warrior shaking hands with Julius Caesar after a battle with the battlefield background and the horses as well as the knights. And look at that. Look at what it generated. I mean, this is very, very simple, right? Now, we could actually also enhance that one or do a rerun if you're not satisfied with the result. But you could actually create more high quality videos that, you know, it suits your criteria or the requirements of the one that you're going to be inserting into. So like this one, guys, I mean, this is a pretty simple one. Okay, so I created a cinematic modern driven promotional video. Okay, this is for, I created like, I'm going to be using it for DomoAI, and this is the one that I used. Now, of course, the more specific, all right, the more specific your prompts are, the better you will be getting. So here, image to video. Okay, you could actually put in your image. Let's say, let's get mine again. And then, no, actually, let's use mine. And then what do we want to happen here? So use the photo and make it an anime type, or let's do it. So cut that. Make a cinematic video of me battling with Gojo. I'm using a sword with a futuristic cyberpunk background or background theme. Okay, let's do that. Now, okay, so here you could choose the model that you want to use. All right. So if you click on this one, you have the V241 Advanced, and it tells you like this is the enhanced precision and consistency. You have the 241 faster speed with better results. You have the advanced for 2.4, and let's just let's see. Let's use one of the faster one. Okay, let's use that one. Okay, and for the templates, you could use whatever, but let's just choose none for this one. Okay. Duration, I want it to be just 5 seconds, so it's not gonna take so much of our time. Do the 16:9, so it's gonna be horizontal. All right, and then relax mode, no watermark, and then generate that. So it's going to use credits. Of course, you're gonna have to, you're gonna have to use some credits if you want to generate. But again, you could go ahead and try that one out. Head on over to their website. That way you could test it out and see for yourself if this is something that will, really satisfy what you need. So while it is generating, let's go ahead and check out other stuff here. So AI animation, okay, content creation. All right, let's check that one out. So if I click on that, it will take me to this part of the website. So create professional animations without the learning curve. Now, guys, in this here, oh my god, I can't stress this enough. Even if you are now an animator, I mean, I am a computer science graduate that focuses on, with specialization on multimedia arts. So I mean, before, all right, we have to do programming. We have like macro media, flash, and all that. We need to know, we need to learn twinning, and you know how long it is to like generate something to move. It takes forever, guys. I mean, it really literally takes almost forever to come up with something like that, and you need an entire team to create those videos for you. But now, with the help of artificial intelligence, we could create animes, we could create cartoons, we could create anime cinematic stuff, and we could even create realistic cinematic videos that we could use for like movies. And I mean, it doesn't really take an entire production team that's, you need millions or hundreds of thousands to pay for them to be able to, like, you have that equipment, You have the videographer, you need the photographer, you need the editor and all that, and it's going to take you forever. I mean, not forever, but probably weeks or months for you to come up or for you to shoot a scene. Now it's almost done, guys. All right, so let's check this one. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Boom. Shoo. Nice. I mean, you can go ahead and check this one out. Have fun with this, guys. This is actually a very good, neat one. Now, if I could actually, make my prompt, the prompt that I made here, even more detailed, it will give me a better video. So from the very simple prompt that I created, this is what I got. I mean, it's not too bad, but you could even get better results if you are, and that's the one that you just need to go ahead and do some research on the prompts. But it's very, very easy, guys. You could research on the prompts that you could use. You could research on the words or the details, like the camera panning, what type of camera, what type of aperture, what type of like the speed and all that, the lighting, those type of stuff. You could, set that one up and put it all in the prompt so you could get better results. All right, so let's go ahead and check out two of the main features that I really love about DomoAI. And let's start with AI image. Now, if you have some images so if you have photos that are not high res or high resolution that you would actually like to improve, right? To increase the resolution, to increase the quality of that image, then you would be able to do this. So for this, as you can see, all right, now this is something that I did earlier. All right, let's zoom out a little bit here so you can see. Look at that. I mean, if you scroll to the left, you see the definition has increased. And if you look at the before and after, you would see, right? This is before that resolution has been upscaled. So I upscaled it to 2K. All right, look at how much it has changed and how the quality of the image has been upscaled and really made very, very good. So that is for the AI photo. Now here, so let me close this one out. So it's on the left side. Okay, AI image. You have different stuff here that you could also choose. Okay, so if you have an image and you would like that to so if you have a photo that you wish to convert into anime or this fusion right here, then you could also do that right here in this part of the DomoAI website. Now you have the relax mode here. Okay, so if you hover over your mouse, relax mode does not consume your credits due to frequent cues. Generation may take some waiting time. All right, now you also have the ratio here that you can choose. 1:1, 16:9, 9:16, 4:3. You also have 3:4. Now it's totally up to you on which one you would like to choose. So this is for the text to image. All right, image editing is if you have, say for example, let me do this. I think I have my photo here. All right, let me choose one of the photos that I have. Hold on. So say for example, this one. Image editing. Make the photo to be shot using a Sony a7R4 camera. Blurred background and in a photo studio scene. Okay, let's do that. Generate for 10 credits. So it's going to create that task for us. And of course, it's just going to take a little bit of time. For girl from image 1, and then you're actually incorporating all those. See? And then there is, oh, look at that. See? Now I am already in a studio. Okay, we have the lighting right there. All right, so make the photo. Look at that. I mean, it's super easy, right? I mean, you just have to put in one random photo that you would like to, you know, upgrade or edit, and you could put it in here. Put the prompt that you wish. Now, you can come up with prompts with ChatGPT and then put it here, guys. It's actually going to give you better results if you have like very specific editing or prompt, AI prompt. So that is one of the good parts with Nano Banana 2, guys. Faster, cheaper, and exceptional performance is right here. You also have the Pro, the Nano Banana Pro right here. So you could choose that too if you would like. All right, and then the next one that I would like to show you guys is the AI video. Now for this AI video, let's go ahead and choose this. All right, select an asset. I'm gonna use this one right here. So it's a kid, and then I have a ready prompt that we could use. Let's see this together, guys. All right, so this is the prompt. Create high energy anime battle scene inspired by Dragon Ball Z. All right, let's do that. Let's do 5 seconds. Okay, generate. All right, so it's going to create that task, and it's going to create that video for us. All right, so let's see what we have right here. So I click on this one, and then whoo. Whoa, look at that. So, I mean, you could play around with this one. Of course, it would be very helpful if you could come up with really very specific prompts, good pictures that would show you. If you could have like a photo that doesn't have a background, I think it's gonna come up better in terms of them being able to come up with a better cut. So it's going to come up with a better scene, but ultimately, guys, if you are able to give it a really good AI prompt, and that is when, you know, prompt engineering comes into play. If you could describe each and everything that you would like to happen, that is when amazing things could come to life. And all right, so I uploaded one of my short videos right here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this, and then I'm going to put the prompt. Okay, create a dramatic cinematic scene of the uploaded subject being sucked into a glowing swirling portal in midair. All right, so something like that. Let's see. I mean, let's do this. Let's do 5 seconds. I mean, it's not gonna take very long. All right, generate. Task created successfully. So you just let it run, and let's see what we get. All right, so you will see a cartoon side of me right here. Which AI model is the best? Is it Kling 3.0 or is it... Which AI model is the best? Is it Kling 3.0 or is it... Which... All right. So those are the top things that I would like you guys to know. And of course, make sure to go ahead and check out DomoAI. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Check this one out. Super amazing stuff. Be very helpful for you when you create those videos that are engaging. Now again, guys, if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. I create videos that will help you out in getting more idea with artificial intelligence, with crypto, with whatever that will help you in all that you do. All right, so if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.